In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a sales CRM in ClickUp from scratch. Start by heading to clickup.com and logging into your account. Think of your workspace as your main hub for projects, tasks, and lists. Even if it looks empty, treat it like a blank canvas you're about to turn into your CRM. Create a dedicated space by clicking the plus icon labeled space in the left sidebar. Name it clearly, like CRM or Sales CRM. Keeping it separate from marketing, development, or other work makes your client data easier to manage and keeps your sales process focused. Next, save time with ClickUp's templates instead of building everything from scratch. Open the Template Center, search CRM, and choose the Sales CRM template. It typically includes contacts or leads, deals, and activities, plus pre-built statuses and custom fields for company, deal value, close date, and lead source. Selecting a template gives you a solid structure so you can start working immediately. When prompted, apply the template to the space you just created and select Use Template to begin. Give it a moment while ClickUp builds the folders, lists, views, and fields. Don't refresh or close the window until it finishes. Once everything loads, explore the layout. Use contacts or leads to store prospect and client details, deals to track opportunities through your pipeline, and tasks, activities, or follow-up for calls, emails, proposals, and reminders. You'll also see statuses like new lead, qualified, proposal sent, won, and lost, along with fields such as company, deal value, close date, and lead source. Now add your data. In contacts or leads, create an entry for each client or prospect and fill in name, company, phone, email, and any other relevant fields. When a lead becomes an opportunity, switch to deals, create a new deal linked to the correct contact, set the deal stage, and update it as you progress. In activities, add tasks like scheduling a discovery call, sending a contract, or following up on payment. Assign each task to the right person, add due dates, and mark them complete when finished. To understand performance, open reports or dashboards in this space. View total pipeline value, the number of deals in each stage, and forecasted revenue over time. If your plan includes automation, add simple rules to move a deal forward when a key task is completed, send reminders as follow-ups near their due dates, and notify you when a high-value deal changes stage. Customize as you go. Adjust deal stages to match your real sales flow. Refine custom fields to capture what matters, and switch between list, board, calendar, or Gantt views. Rename or remove anything that doesn't fit your team. Finally, make this CRM your single source of truth for client info, deal status, and upcoming follow-ups. You'll avoid scattered notes, see your pipeline at a glance, and plan with confidence. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.